27 ka na, dapat may asawa ka na. 27 ka na, dapat may anak ka na. At age of 27, dapat kasal ka na. Hi guys, it's me again, Shine. So for today's video, get ready with me as I'm going to talk about my realization. Today is November 11, 2024 and 27 na ako ngayon. All I thought, hindi ko lang 27 is magsasettle down na ako. Alam niyo yun, yung typical na housewife, kakaroon ng pamilya, papakasal at magkakaanak. So, the reality is far from our expectation, and sometimes kaya tayo nasasaktan kasi nag-expect tayo sa mga bagay na hindi dapat i-expect ng isang tao katulad natin, di ba? We expect so much sa mahal natin sa buhay, sa mga friends natin, and ibang tao. Kaya yung nangyayari, it lead to disappointment kasi mga bagay hindi natin control, and yung mga bagay kahit na plano natin hindi naman natutupad doon ang nangyayari. What we're going to do is to focus kung ano yung nasa harap natin at lagay sa mind na we can control everything and anything, lalo na kapag si God na yung decide for us, you know. Wala rin ako na everything happen for a reason. Kung bakit yung mga taong inaalis sa buhay natin, meron mga taong automatically dumadaan lang. Hindi para matuto tayo, nagbibigay sa atin yung lesson that we wanted to learn. We need to learn about life. Never rush in life. Ano yung mga tao nasasabi, 27 ka na, dapat may asawa ka na. 27 ka na, dapat may anak ka na. Dahil at age of 27, dapat kasal ka na. Hello? Dito na tayo sa Old Testament, guys. It is far from our expectation in society. Kasi kung society lang, yung ibang tao lang pakikinggan mo, you'll never happy. Kasi sila, tingnan mo nagsasabing gano'n. Hindi naman sila successful sa life. Like, what I mean is that they're not ever happy sa buhay nila. Papasukan yung buhay mo. Ang daming comments about your life. Na even so, sariling buhay nila, hindi naman nila ma-apply. Like, what the? Hindi naman kung mismo you're not even happy in your own life. It's because you're only focusing on other people's life. Kaya huwag kayong feeling nanguhuli ka na yung mga kabatch mo, yung mga anak na baka nasaan na. It's good for them kasi dadating din yung time na mahanap mo para sa'yo. And sa time na yan, you're ready to face lahat ng challenges na dadating. And strong ka na sa time na yan. Ako kasi naniniwala ako na we can learn from our age, but we only learn from our mistakes. More mistakes, more learning. Kaya never ever matakot na magkamali, diba? So I'm sorry for my lightning kasi it's already 4 PM and medyo makulimlim yung ulap ngayon. Signal number 1 tayo dito. Then, medyo mausok pa kasi nagluluto yung sister ko doon. So, I'm not that really excited for my birthday kasi dito kapag nagkakaedad na tayo parang to focus on how to gain more money and be financially stable, right? So that's the main goal here. We don't need to depend on other people's perspective and opinion para lang masatisfy lahat ng kanilang sinasabi sa iyo. And don't ever let other people ruin your goal or your long-term goal dahil sabi nila sa inyo isang bagay madi-discourage ka.
Sa show. Aturod ko, pansito ko ka.
那你为什么不会带出去？喂。
都已经是。
行啊。要不这样子。Anong pagkaon?
Ang condense?
什么意思啊？
我看一下。
Ano?
Take the rules as they come, 'cause I knew that she'd be faithful, waiting for me to come. If I were